Hi everyone. We want to show you two quick ways to use free, used up coffee grounds that we got from nearby coffee shops to fertilize your garden. Coffee ground is rich in nitrogen and adds organic matter to your garden beds. And fall is perfect time to work it into your garden to get ready for next year. The first way to use it is the easiest way, but you need to be careful when doing it. You simply spread a half an inch thick layer on your garden beds, but do not leave it there just like that. When it dries out, it can become like cake layer and prevents water from reaching your garden bed. What you should do is to mix it with the underlying garden soil just like you would work in any fertilizer. So this is how it should look once you are done. The second way is something new we are trying this year to get more compost for free. We are taking 1 part coffee grounds, 4 parts non-glossy shredded paper and brown cardboard boxes, or you can use fall leaves as well, and 2 handful of compost, or you can just get your garden soil which brings microorganisms to help the breakdown process. We are going to mix it all up and add water, just enough to moisten this mix. We will keep this mix in a layer with some airflow either by letting the lid be open slightly or drilling holes into the container. Over the cold months, we will keep adding coffee grounds and shredded papers to it. We don't expect anything to happen in winter, but once it is spring, this would start composting, and next year we should get good enough compost from this. We also make wonderful compost from our kitchen scrapes using this tumbling composter. We have covered all details of it in this video, so check it out.